Hey Alex, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, and thanks for clicking on the short video. I'm going to really quickly give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Lions Roofing. If you type in Roofing Phoenix, they show up at the top, and it's really easy to beat them. Now you're probably asking yourself why I'd even make this video for you, and it's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofers that are so busy running their business they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people take this information and just do it themselves. Some people call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. My only goal is to help educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, you have a really professional looking website. I really like the entire look of it. I love the parallax scrolling effect you've got going on, the nice high quality photos. You've got call to actions, allowing people to book online, hit your contact, chat widget right here, form. You've got a lot of great things going on as far as design. Now, what Google cares about mostly when it comes to ranking is all this stuff you can highlight, this content. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content. And if I paste all yours in this word counter, you have 776. If we go copy Lions Roofing, we can see they have 999. So by getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're going to completely blow them out of the water. Plus, you're going to give yourself more room to fit in what's called keywords. A keyword is a phrase someone commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I found some for you. Phoenix Roofing has 800 people search that every month. Roofing Phoenix has 450 people search that every month. Roofing Companies Phoenix has 700 people search that every month. So imagine just those 3 keywords. If you were ranked number 1 for those 3 keywords, you would be number 1 in front of 1,950 people every month who are looking to purchase roofing. Imagine how that would change your business. So make sure you put these keywords inside of your content. If I go and search Phoenix Roofing or Roofing Phoenix, you're going to see that it doesn't show up at all. So that just means you got to put it in there a couple times. One more thing, you can also save your images as keywords too. So this could be saved as Roofing Phoenix. But that's my first tip for you. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, like I said, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power when you have other roofing and remodeling companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tools that I use to check out backlinks the tool they use is called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. You don't need to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. Just Google backlink checker. You'll find the same data. It says you have 1 website linking to you, while Lions Roofing has 525 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would copy all 525 because if these websites are good enough to rank Lions Roofing, then they're good enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one to each of these 525 websites and put a link on each site back to my own the same way Lions did. And a lot of times it's really simple. Like for example, Angie or Expertise or Yellow Pages or Dun & Bradstreet. With all these websites, all you do is go and create a profile, put a link on your profile back to your homepage, and boom, you've got a backlink. So it's pretty simple. It's just a little time consuming. But if you beat their backlinks and you beat their content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. I've got one more tip for you, and that's how to show up right here in the map section. If you want to become number 1 right here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number in a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, GAF, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Phoenix Roofers was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. So if Phoenix Roofers was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in like 300. But that's all I've got for you, Alex. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you're going to want 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of it, like Roofing Phoenix, Roofers Phoenix, stuff like that. You're going to want to take the websites that are linking to Lions Roofing and get them linking back to yourself, and then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Phoenix Roofers. If you follow these three tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. If you go this route, the sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done for you, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was great speaking to you earlier, Alex. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have an awesome week. See ya.